Work smarter, not harder. Ravi and Arjun were best friends. They lived in the same village and studied in the same college. Both of them dreamed of getting a good job and helping their families. Ravi believed in one thing: success comes only through hard work. Arjun also believed in hard work, but he had a different idea. Hard work is important, he often said, but smart work is even more important. Whenever Ravi heard this, he laughed. That's just an excuse for lazy people, Ravi replied. Arjun smiled and said nothing. The exam challenge. One day, their professor announced a very important exam. This exam will decide who gets the scholarship, the professor said. The scholarship was valuable. It would pay for their education and help them achieve their dreams. Ravi became serious immediately. I will study day and night, he told Arjun. Great, Arjun answered. I will prepare too. That evening, Ravi sat at his desk and opened all his books. There were 10 subjects. He decided to read every page of every book. For the next month, Ravi studied for 14 hours every day. He slept very little. He stopped exercising. He rarely met friends. He simply read and read and read. Meanwhile, Arjun followed a different strategy. First, he collected previous year's question papers. Then he analyzed them carefully. He noticed that some topics appeared repeatedly. He made a list of important chapters. Next, he created a study timetable. Instead of studying 14 hours a day, he studied 6 focused hours. During study time, he switched off his phone. He took short breaks every hour. He also exercised for 30 minutes daily and slept 8 hours every night. When Ravi saw him playing football one evening, he was shocked. Why are you wasting time? Ravi asked. Arjun smiled. I'm refreshing my mind. You should be studying. I am studying, Arjun replied. But I'm also taking care of my brain. Ravi shook his head and returned to his books. The day of the exam. Finally, the exam day arrived. Ravi looked tired. His eyes were red. He had slept only 3 hours the previous night. Arjun looked calm and confident. When the exam began, Ravi faced a problem. Many questions were from the important topics he had rushed through quickly. Because he had tried to study everything, he could not remember many details. His mind felt confused. Arjun, however, recognized most questions immediately. They came from the topics he had practiced many times. He answered confidently and finished early. After the exam, Ravi felt worried. It was much harder than I expected, he said. Arjun nodded. It was challenging, but preparation helped. The results. A week later, the results were announced. The entire college gathered near the notice board. Students pushed forward eagerly. Ravi searched for his name. Then he saw it. He had passed, but he had not received the scholarship. Next, he looked for Arjun's name. Arjun had scored the highest marks in the college. He had won the scholarship. Everyone congratulated him. Ravi felt disappointed. He had worked much harder than Arjun, yet Arjun had achieved better results. That evening, Ravi visited Arjun. I don't understand, Ravi admitted. I studied 14 hours every day. You studied only 6. How did you score higher than me? Arjun invited him inside. Then he placed 2 axes on the table. One axe was sharp. The other was dull. Imagine we have to cut down 10 trees, Arjun said. Which axe would you choose? The sharp one, of course, Ravi answered. Why? Because it cuts faster. Arjun nodded. Exactly. A sharp axe saves time and energy. Then he continued. Many people work like the dull axe. They keep hitting the tree again and again without improving their method. Ravi listened carefully. Smart workers spend time sharpening the axe. They plan, learn, organize, and focus. Then they work efficiently. Suddenly Ravi understood. It's not about working less, he said. It's about working better. Exactly, Arjun replied. A new opportunity. A few months later, a technology company announced a competition. Participants had to solve a business problem. The winner would receive a job offer. Ravi and Arjun both joined. This time Ravi decided to change his approach. Instead of immediately starting work, he spent the first day understanding the problem. He researched successful solutions. He watched educational videos. He created a clear plan. He divided the task into smaller steps. He also used software tools that saved time. For the first time, Ravi was working smart. Several participants worked all night without planning. They looked busy, but many made mistakes. Ravi worked fewer hours than before, but every hour had a purpose. When the competition ended, the judges reviewed all projects. To Ravi's surprise, his project ranked first. The judges praised his clear strategy and efficient solution. He received the job offer. Ravi was thrilled. Later he met Arjun and thanked him. "You changed my life," Ravi said. "No," Arjun replied, "you changed your own life. You learned an important lesson." "What lesson?" Arjun smiled. "Never confuse activity with progress." The final lesson. Years later, Ravi became a successful manager. Whenever new employees joined his company, he shared his story. He told them, "Hard work is valuable. Never avoid it, but hard work alone is not enough." Then he would write 3 sentences on a board. Plan before you act. Focus on important tasks. Use better methods, not just more effort. Finally, he would say, "Stop asking, how many hours did I work? Start asking, how much value did I create?" And that is the difference between working hard and working smart. Moral of the story: hard work opens the door to success, but smart work helps you reach success faster and more effectively. The best results come when hard work and smart work are combined. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel.